Ladies and gentlemen, gearheads across America, get ready, because what you're about to witness isn't just a pickup truck, a broken bar, it is the resurrection of pure American muscle in bold, aggressive, modern form. Chevy has just unleashed the 2026 Silverado SS, and it's already shaking the very foundation of the truck world. For decades, the SS badge stood for Supersport, legendary Chevy performance that transformed ordinary vehicles into fire-breathing monsters. Now, for the first time since the early 2000s, Chevrolet has dared to slap the SS badge on their flagship pickup, turning it into a high-horsepower street weapon built to hunt Raptors, TRXs, and even rival sports cars. In this video we will break down everything you need to know, from its jaw-dropping design details, engine secrets, new comfort features, interior tech and savage performance, are all wrapped in a long, deep dive review built for true truck fanatics. So buckle up, hit that like, and let's explore the unbelievable 2026 Silverado SS. 20-minute car details review. The all-new Silverado SS arrives as Chevrolet's most aggressive half-ton performance pickup in modern history. Built on the latest T1XX truck platform, Chevy engineers completely reinforced the frame and suspension to handle serious horsepower. Under the hood sits a monstrous 6.2-liter LT4 supercharged V8, similar to the Corvette Z06 and Camaro ZL1, producing a mind-bending 650 horsepower and 650 pounds-to-feet of torque. Connected to a heavy-duty 10-speed automatic with paddle shifters and launch control. Chevrolet wanted this to remain a true mechanical SS, so they kept rear-wheel drive as standard for purists, with an optional AWD performance system available for buyers who want insane traction off the line. Chevy replaced the factory steel drive shaft with a carbon fiber unit, added an upgraded active locking rear differential, recalibrated ECU, massive Brembo 6-piston brakes up front, and fitted a sport-tuned exhaust system that crackles, barks, and screams under hard throttle. The truck rides on a lowered sports suspension setup with magnetic ride control dampers and stiffer anti-roll bars. This configuration keeps the body planted in corners while still absorbing bumps on rough American highways. To increase structural rigidity, Chevrolet incorporated extra front strut tower bracing, rear bed cross bracing and lighter-weight aluminum panels around suspension pickup points. The result, the Silverado SS rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds, making it not only faster than the Ford Raptor R and Ram TRXA but faster than some Porsche 911s. The new SS also comes with an industry-first street racer mode that optimizes throttle response, gear shifts, and stiffens magnetic dampers. Its towing capability drops slightly to 8,000 pounds. But Chevy says this SS is about performance first. With exclusive SS-only 22-inch forged wheels wrapped in sticky Goodyear Eagle F1 tires, this pickup grips asphalt like a muscle coupe, yet still maintains truck toughness. Visually, the 2026 Silverado SS looks absolutely menacing. Up front is a dominant gloss black grille featuring the iconic SS badge on the driver's side corner in blood red lettering. The hood carries a heat extractor power bulge that hints at the supercharged beast underneath. Slim LED headlights have been dark tinted, and the daytime running lights beat in a pulse effect when you unlock the truck. The lower fascia receives a huge functional air intake with integrated cooling ducts channeling air straight to the brakes and transmission cooler. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice extremely flared wheel arches, gloss black power folding mirrors, smoked outside marker lamps and blacked out window trim with subtle carbon fiber accents. Inside, the cabin is dramatically upgraded compared to any previous Silverado. As soon as you step in, you are greeted by custom SS embroidered sport bucket seats wrapped in jet black leather with red accent stitching and Alcantara inserts for added grip during cornering. These seats are 10-way power adjustable, heated, ventilated and surprisingly bolstered like a sports sedan. Across the dash sits a massive 17-inch horizontal infotainment display angled toward the driver, displaying HD graphics with a brand new SS exclusive interface that includes performance timers, supercharger boost gauges, and G-force meters. The digital driver cluster is 12.3 inches and fully customizable with animations that change based on driving mode: Tour, Sport, Street Racer, Snow, Ice, Track. Surrounding materials are a beautiful blend of real aluminum trim, soft touch leatherette wrapping, and carbon fiber glossy weave around the lower sections. The steering wheel is thick-rimmed, flat-bottomed with paddle shifters and a bright red SS badge positioned just above the horn button. Ambient LED lighting spills out from the dash, doors, cup holder and footwell areas, which can glow red in sport mode for a dramatic nighttime experience. The center console includes a wireless phone charger, deep armrest storage compartment, dedicated boost pressure readout and a performance drive mode selector knob. In the rear, Passengers enjoy limousine-worthy legroom thanks to the crew cab configuration Chevy uses for the SS. The rear seats are heated and recline slightly, plus fold up to reveal a hidden locking storage box for tools or firearms. There's a rear 12-speaker Bose premium audio system, tri-zone climate control, and 2 AC charging outlets. USB-C ports, fast charge sockets and HDMI input allow passengers to connect gaming devices and stream through the infotainment screen while charging laptops. Advanced connectivity also includes 4G LTE Wi-Fi capability, OnStar, Alexa built-in voice, and a 360-degree camera system with split-screen performance track modes. Even with all this luxury, Chevy kept the tough truck identity. Durable floor mats, anti-scratch surfaces, and waterproof finishes ensure the SS can be used for work and play. It's truly a high-end sport luxury cockpit blended into a brutal muscle pickup shell. Most people assume a performance truck would be stiff and uncomfortable, but this is where the Silverado SS truly shocks everyone. Chevrolet's magnetic ride control suspension adapts to the road every millisecond, soaking up bumps smoothly when in tour mode. On long road trips, the truck glides like a premium SUV, with the cabin whisper quiet thanks to extensive sound-deadening foam injected into the frame rails, acoustic glass on the windshield and side windows, and active noise cancellation coming through the Bose system. Even at 85 miles per hour on the freeway, wind noise is almost nothing. The SS seats, though sporty, remain soft enough for 12-hour drives, and seat massages are optional. The driving position provides a perfect commanding view of the road with excellent side mirror visibility despite its wide stance. Headroom and shoulder room are abundant, making bigger American frames feel right at home. The climate system uses a multi-layer nano filter to keep air fresh and distributes cooling evenly across the cabin. Rear passengers won't complain either. Heated seats, recline function, cushy armrests and independent climate zone keeps everyone comfy. For convenience, Chevy has added driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control with stop-go, lane centering, auto emergency braking and a semi-autonomous Super Cruise system on highways. Performance is where the Silverado SS absolutely dominates headlines. Hit the start button and the 6.2 liters supercharged V8 roars alive with a violent growl, and once you punch the throttle it responds with eye-watering ferocity. The Eaton supercharger delivers instant torque, launching the truck like a slingshot. Chevrolet claims a blistering 3.9s 0-60, a quarter-mile time in the high 11s, and an electronically limited top speed of 130 miles per hour, though SS engineers hint it's capable of far more with the limiter removed. The 10-speed transmission bangs through gears rapidly, blipping on downshifts with crackles from the sport exhaust. In corners, magnetic ride control offers almost no body roll, giving the SS a planted and confident feel. The steering is quick and responsive, not truck-like at all. Drop it into track mode and the throttle becomes razor-sharp. Shifts get aggressive, the exhaust opens up, and the truck genuinely feels like a 6,000-pound muscle car. The Brembo brakes are incredibly powerful, hauling the beast to a stop with serious bite, repeated lap after lap. What's impressive is the cooling system. Massive radiators, intercooler, oil coolers are all engineered so you can put this pickup on a racetrack without fear of overheating. Unlike most trucks, the Silverado SS is made to attack tarmac, drag strips, highways and canyon carving adventures rather than desert jumps. It's the street machine so many have been begging Chevy to build. In daily sport mode it remains tame and drivable, shifting smoothly and staying calm. But when unleashed, it becomes one of the fastest pickups America has ever seen. That ability to deliver two personalities, a docile cruiser and vicious street fighter, is what makes the SS badge legendary once again. The 2026 Chevy Silverado SS is not just a truck, it's a statement. It proves Chevrolet still believes in raw, unapologetic V8 performance and American muscle heritage while surrounding it with the high-tech luxury, comfort and safety features today's buyers demand. With styling that turns heads, horsepower that terrifies rivals, and an interior that pampers others, truck is Chevy's boldest move in years. Whether you're a die-hard Chevy fan or someone cross-shopping Ford, Ram and GMC, the Silverado SS offers something your heart and soul crave: emotion. Every time you walk up to it, fire it up, and stomp that gas pedal, it lights a fire inside you that ordinary pickups simply can't. This truck isn't meant to be subtle, humble or compromise-filled. It's built to dominate on the street, rule at car meets, and blast past everything else at the stoplight. From the supercharged LT4 engine to that screaming exhaust, from the Alcantara-lined seats to the red SS badging, the 2026 Chevy Silverado SS is back to remind America who truly invented the muscle truck. So if you enjoyed this full deep dive review, Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and make sure your notifications are on because I've got more insane super sport reveals and brutally honest reviews coming your way. Until next time, this is your host signing off. Stay fast, stay loud, and never underestimate a Chevy wearing that legendary SS badge.